In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate the range in Notion. The range is a really useful basic statistic. It tells you the difference between the smallest and the largest value in a set of numbers. In other words, it shows you how spread out your data is. This can be helpful for things like tracking sales, grades, quantities in stock, or any numbers you're monitoring in a Notion database. Let's walk through how to do this directly inside Notion, using a numeric property in a database view. First, open your Notion database and look for the column that contains the numbers you want to analyze. In this example, that column is labeled quantity, but in your workspace, it might be called something like amount, score, or price. The important thing is that it's a number type property. Move your mouse to the bottom of that column. You should see a little summary area appear, often showing something like sum, count, or another calculation depending on what you last used there. Go ahead and click directly on that summary label under the quantity column. When you click it, a small menu will pop up. This is the Calculate menu, where Notion lets you quickly apply different calculations to that column. If your column already has a calculation like sum or average, you're now telling Notion you want to change it. Next, in that Calculate menu, look for an option that opens up more choices. This is usually labeled something like More Options, or appears as an extended list beyond the basic items you first see. Click on that so you can access the full set of calculations available for numeric fields. Once the additional options are visible, scroll or look through the list until you find range. This is the built-in function that automatically finds the highest and lowest values in that column and subtracts the minimum from the maximum. Click on range to select it. As soon as you do, Notion will update the summary at the bottom of the quantity column. You'll now see a single number displayed there. That number is the range of all the values in that column. If you change any of the numbers in your rows later on, Notion will automatically recalculate the range for you, so it stays up to date without any extra work. And that's all there is to it. Click the numeric column summary, open Calculate, choose More Options, and select Range to instantly see how spread out your data is in Notion.